Renaissance Center is a very ideal location for us for drone operations. It's got a nice big meadow over here. There's not a lot of tall trees around. Over at Orchard Hill in the residential area, we have a CASA radar that's looking at these drones. That's being operated out of Knowles Engineering Building, where our student Jezebel Sanchez is actually operating the radar remotely.
Okay, let me know when you're done with the mission.
Drones are becoming very popular. If you look at the statistics, they're increasing like crazy.
All right, mission complete, Jezebel.
You can do fun things with them, but they cause also sometimes trouble coming close to airports, sports arenas, other areas where they shouldn't be. We do this with different drones to get an idea what their radar signature is, to get a better understanding how we can develop a detection technology out of it.
Just a little speck in the sky.
It is almost like finding a needle in the sky and not the haystack.
All right, so we're going to start mission 3 now. We are about half a kilometer away from the CASA radar, which is down in the Orchard Hill parking lot. And it is looking right here at us, flying a drone with a target coated with golden foil. That shows up very well, and that's going to help us to improve the performance of the radar.
The idea is here to look also into, can this be commercialized? So how can we get our work out of the lab and make it interesting for companies, for example? Obviously, there's the delivery business. Can we actually support their operations with radars that can look at weather and drones? So flying them around weather, maybe not having them fly if the weather is too hazardous, so that we do everything in a safe, harmless way.